Well, hello there, YouTube. Decided to take the Goldwing out today. What is today? The June 5th. I took the Spider out yesterday. I decided to take the Goldwing today. Man, I got to take advantage of a sunny day. We've had so much rain. I told you that yesterday. If it dries up a little bit, I'll have to mow again. I'll turn it back on a little bit. Bye. That's strange. On my old helmet, I used to butt the GoPro up against the back of the helmet because I think it stuck out a little bit farther. This one, I did it last night and you could only see a portion of it, even on hyperview. So I got it pointing down just a little bit more. I go fill up. I got 108 miles on this tank. I like to start on a full tank. It's pretty nice out. A little warm, but pretty nice out. I just think I squished a turtle. Did you hear? I don't know if you heard it hit. Didn't see it. Big old turtle. Oh, poor baby. I don't like to hit turtles, but I didn't see it. It just made a big old noise. I probably squished it. It was a good sized turtle. Bye. Oh, one thing I read on the forum. There's so many potholes up here, everybody's hitting them on the freeway and blowing out tires. The roads are terrible up here. Absolutely horrible. And they're doing construction, so they just don't maintain the roads up here. They just don't do it. In Hunt County, they just don't do it. Their roads are horrible. And we pay ungodly amounts of taxes. We should be using that to make good roads, safe roads. Well, hello there, YouTube. Look at this nice new road. Gotta scratch my nose. This is 34. I can't believe Hunt County's got a new road. They spent money on this road. I don't know how far it goes. Well, that looks like my old car behind me. I wonder. Better turn this off. Bye.